Good morning, everybody. This is Dan from Pkwy Dry Cleaning and More. We have this is just one of our stores here in Palm Coast. We have another store in Palm Coast as well, which is Alterations by Lucy and Dry Cleaning. Another one's going to be out in Ormond Beach. But as you can see here in Palm Coast, the census is in that everybody does like the quality that we actually do here in Palm Coast. We do everything from regular laundry to dry cleaning of the most delicate garments to wedding gown preservations to everything. Let's do a quick little tour of what we're actually doing here and what you can expect here from Crisp and Clean Dry Cleaning. But as you can see, your shirts come out amazing on that. We do alterations, full custom alterations to our dry cleaning aspect. You can see we're pretty full loaded up. These bags that you see like this, those are for our folded shirts, people that want their shirts folded. We have express bags for our customers, and just kind of going from there. And one of my favorite sayings is right here: the most memorable days usually end with the dirtiest of clothes. But this is just what's happening here at Crisp and Clean in Palm Coast, Florida. These racks, this rack right up top is anything that has 2 garments and above will go to the rack up above. And then I do have another conveyor here. Don't mind us, we're just preparing some stuff here. That's Loretta. She's actually tagging the garments as they come in. We do full-on custom spots on everything. We inspect every single garment with our 7-point inspection process. We inspect it upon it coming in, and we inspect it after it gets cleaned. We inspect it during assembly, and if we find anything that's not perfect to your garment, we bring it back so that we can actually get it re-cleaned. Here's a wedding gown that just came in that we're going to beautify. We're going to preserve it. We're going to box it. So if you have anything that's delicate like this, we certainly can facilitate it. There's some trouble spots on this right here. As you can see, it's going to be it's kind of filthy on the bottom because it just was rubbed up on the ground regarding you know, it was an outdoor wedding on that. So we're going to beautify this. We're going to bring it back to white. We're going to preserve it. We're going to box it, and then she'll have this for the rest of her life. We're going to actually remove this part right here we actually altered this dress. My mother from Alterations by Lucy did this dress here, and we added all of this on. So we're going to remove it, and then we're going to just put it with the garment itself so that she can have it reattached when she's ready to wear it again at some point in time. But this is just some of our processing here. As you can see, we handle the Port Orange Police and Fire Department, so we do their garments 3 times a week, and we do linens, sheets. This particular location is where I do all my wet cleaning. All my wet cleaning means it actually gets washed in a water-based solution. My dry cleaning plant's out in Ormond Beach, and that's where everything else gets done as far as dry cleaning is concerned. So we have 2 plants going here. We do a lot of household items here, from comforters to duvet covers. As you can see, we're getting more garments here. We're spotting where the stains are, so that way we can actually treat the spots before I send them down to the plant. I'm actually working on a beautiful Coach bag. This is all being restored, hand washed by myself. And yeah, if you have any bags, we can actually we can actually preserve and refinish and resurface and bring back your bags back to like new condition on that. But this one, that's 1 coat of 3 applications that need to be done here. I've already rinsed this down. Applied the first aspect of it. It was really soiled. It was really brown over here. It's starting to lighten up, and I'm going to get this all back to white on that end. We also do offer a lot of wash and fold. So if you have laundry that wants to that you don't have the time to actually fulfill, you can bring it into us, and we'll actually launder it, we'll wash it, we'll fold it, and then we'll get it all ready for you. So here's our secondary rack right here. A lot of our alterations go on that. In our single rack, in our single pieces right here. Yeah, but so far the census is out that people like what we're doing. Our business is going really well here in Palm Coast. We do offer free VIP service in pickup and delivery. We also have a back door here in the Palm Coast because our shopping center tends to be very busy here. So what that means is you can actually call ahead, and we'll meet you at the back door, and we'll pick up your clothes from you at your vehicle, and then we can actually deliver it right to your vehicle. So you don't even have to get out of the vehicle as well. And this is just some of the area where we assemble. When it comes back from my plant, in order to preserve the garments so they don't get wrinkled in transit, we actually assemble everything here at our stores individually. So they come back from my plant, and we then in turn, what we do is we go through everything. As you can see, these people happen to have what they are, the shirts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm just waiting on the pants, which the pants will be back this evening, and this person's order will be concluded. And right here, I'm actually washing right now as we speak. We're just washing another comforter here in this particular cycle. And this is just a light load for somebody that we're doing right now. And then we have Miss Seville over here. She's doing some hand pressing and some pressing on our utility press. Yeah, but that's us here at Crisp and Clean Dry Cleaning and More in Palm Coast, Florida. We're here to help. And also linens, table linens and bed linens. We actually wash, we process, we get everything ready for you. So if you're feeling like you're not up to it, feel free to come on to Crisp and Clean Dry Cleaning and More, where we actually go ahead and provide the best customer service and the best product for the value right there. We treat everybody as if we're family. So come on down. Thank you very much.